Venn diagram word problem. Example 2. So this is the part 2 of our series for Venn diagram. For this problem, we will solve a different type, which will be a 3 TV programs or 3 Venn diagrams. Miss Julieta Cruz took survey of 3 TV programs watched by the students in her class. The figures were as follows: news, 17 students; concerts, 23 students; sports, 19 students; news and concerts, 6 students; news and sports, 4 students; concerts and sports, 9 students; news, concerts, and sports, 3 students. For this type of problem, we will use again visualization to analyze the problem easily. And these are the questions. A. How many students were there in the class? And B. How many students viewed only one program? Using a Venn diagram with the 3 elements, which are news, concerts, and sports. This is a typical drawing for a Venn diagram. So I show you different colors here. For news, represented in green color. For concert, in blue. Sports, in orange, or I guess brown. Then we have the intersection for news and concerts represented in this color. Concerts and sports represented this one. News and sports represented in this color. And for the intersection of the three, for the news, intersection concert, intersection sports, represented by red color. So for the visualization, since on our previous problem, to solve the union or the total number of participants for this or the total number of students for this problem, we need to get the area. Using that technique or method, it is evident that there will be intersection for the circles. For the news and concerts, which are represented by this. So if we're going to take this figure, news and concert, from this part, also for the concert and sports, this one, and for the news and sports, this one. So imagine if we're going to take those figure from here, the middle part will be hollow. But this part, this one, is shaded. Since our formula for the visual to get the union, we need the total of this figure to be covered. So that's why we need the number or the figures for the news, intersection concert, intersection sports to add this one, giving us the formula to get U. We need to add N, C, and S subtracted by their intersections, which are N intersection C minus N intersection S minus C intersection S. Then additional, we're going to add the intersection of the 3, N intersection C intersection S, since that will be a hollowed part. So that will be our formula for this type of Venn diagram problem. So for the given, which are here, N 17, C 23, S 19, N intersection C 6, N intersection S 4, C intersection S 9, N intersection C intersection S is 3. So we just substitute the given to the formula. 17 plus 23 plus 19 minus 6 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3, giving us a total of 43 students. So that will be our answer for how many students were there in the class. So for the problem, how many students viewed only one program? We're going to solve that. So for how many students viewed in one program only, we only need this part. So that would be our solution one. For the typical solution for a Venn diagram problem, we start from the middle, the all intersection, which is 3. Then from the figure of n intersection C, which is 6, we gotta subtract that number. Same goes with the n intersection S. We gotta subtract the middle one, which is 3. Same goes for consort intersection S. Subtract the value of 3, giving us 3316. Then followed for the outer part, from the total of the new 17, we need to subtract 3, 3, and 1, giving us 17 minus 3 minus 3 minus 1. For consort, also from total of 23, we need to subtract 3, 3, and 6. 23 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. And for sports, we need to subtract 19 from 1, 3, and 6. So that is a artificial solution for a Venn diagram problem. It's tedious, as you can see. We start from the middle, then we amplify as we go to the outer part of this Venn diagram. So giving us this, the value 10, 11, and 9. So if we're going to add this, 10 plus 11 plus 9, 3 plus 1 plus 6, and plus 3, giving us also 43 students. So see the difference from our solution 1 to solution 2. So solution 1 is also derived from this, usually more on the graphical illustration. So it's up to you. If you have ample of time to solve the problem, you can use this typical solution for a Venn diagram, or you can use this one. So if you forgot, you can use the graphical so that you can easily recall the formula. And for our second question, how many students with only one program? Since we have the drawing already, so only one program, so these 10 number students represent the only viewed news. This 11 student means that he only viewed concert, and this student only viewed sports program. So for our answer for this question, that would be 10 plus 11 plus 9, giving us 30 students who viewed only one program.